Chances are you don't know everything there is to know about air conditioning. But being that we call ourselves AC Pro, we tend to think we know something about AC, and we pride ourselves on being automotive AC specialists. So let's answer some of the most common questions we're asked and hopefully instill some wisdom in the process. Perhaps the question we get most often is a big one. Does your product work on my vehicle? Without knowing exactly what vehicle you have, the general answer is yes. AC Pro has a product that will work on your vehicle. That's assuming your vehicle uses either R134A or R1234YF refrigerant, and most vehicles do. If this is the case, you're in luck, and recharging with AC Pro is as easy as understanding which refrigerant type your vehicle uses. Speaking of the refrigerant types, another question we frequently get is whether the two most common types of automotive refrigerant, R134A and R1234YF, can be mixed. The answer here is a resounding no. R134A and R1234YF refrigerant should never be mixed or combined in any capacity. So always be sure to check to see which type of refrigerant your vehicle uses prior to recharging. Check out our next installment in which we answer more of your questions about AC. Thanks for recharging with AC Pro, and see all of our products at acprocold.com.